It's crazy. Woo! This thing's not even. Alright, so I don't know about y'all in the car that you got, but here in the BMW M4 Competition, we got the holes in the seats and all that, so you know we gotta mention it. In this car, there's really no place to put your phone. You know, I've tried putting it right here. I've tried putting it in several different places, and there's just like there's no optimal place to put your phone where you can still see it, you can still do what you gotta do. So luckily, the good people at OHL Pro sent me this little nifty device right here, and they have several different ones that you could choose from. They have one that you could like stick on. They have several different ones. I chose to use the one that you just attach right to the ventilation, and it attaches super sturdy, as you guys can see. And you know, you just put this right here. This is for the, I believe, the 13, the 14, the 12, the 13, the 14, something like that. It seems pretty good. This is a charger as well. If you guys can't tell, you see it is charging the phone, and it seems pretty sturdy. Right now, we are about to test this thing out. We're going on a canyon run. We're gonna see if it could hold up to the reviews that it has on Amazon. Because as you guys can see, it has some pretty good reviews. I think it's gonna pass. I think it's gonna pass from how it's looking, how I could like scroll through. I'm moving it around. It's sturdy. Like, this thing is nice and sturdy. The placement is perfect. So let's see how it does. So we have some different options here. We could go with this one. It goes right here into the air vent, because I don't really want to stick this anywhere. I don't want to stick it here. There's really nowhere for me to place this. Let's see how it looks right here, or not just how it looks, but see if it actually works. Okay, I like the locking mechanism, the tightening mechanism you got here. Oh, that's pretty sturdy. That's pretty darn sturdy right there, if I do say so myself. All right, so we got that on there, and I'm gonna be using this. There's like a magnet too, like that's where it wants to go. So that's where I'm gonna put it. Let's see. Oh, well, that seems pretty darn sturdy. We're gonna go on a canyon run, and we are gonna test this thing out. This car is so freaking badass. AWE exhaust sounds so good. Yeah. This thing's not even moving. I love this canyon run. I love this car. Oh my god. Y'all don't even know, man. If you haven't been in an M4 or an M vehicle, these things are so amazing. Such a dope experience. This thing is legit. It's still there. Like, it didn't even move one bit. It's still charging. This thing sounds amazing. Look how beautiful it is up here. Oh my god. So much, just have gratitude for life. We're so blessed to be able to experience the things we do. I'm feeling blessed right now. I'm gonna flip it around. We're gonna go through there one more time. crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo. You hear it. You hear that AWE. Oh, the stuff in my trunk is everywhere right now. I already know. This car, man. Oh man, I'm gonna put out a 3-month review on this car soon, but for anybody watching this video, I don't regret it one bit. I already put out the video, I believe, if I regret getting this over the Scat Pack, but I've driven a Hellcat, I've driven an E63, I believe it is, an AMG, I believe that's what it was. You can go back and check the videos. I've driven a Ferrari, that was next level. The Ferrari was next level. What else have I driven? I've driven a 1LE, an SS1LE. I've driven I've driven a fair share of vehicles. This thing right here, nothing is topping this except maybe the Ferrari, you know, like, come on now, it's a Ferrari. Go back and check those videos if you haven't seen them. Super dope experiences. But this thing, oh my goodness, I'm like getting away from the whole reason we're here, which is this right here, and it passed the test. This thing is sick. If you guys want one, link is down below in the description. It's here to stay for me. That's pretty much gonna do it. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate you all. Salute.